I remember the other day I decided to do something with this patch here, right here on the wall, and I filled it up with rock hard water putty, and I used a metal steel brush and wiped it, you know, to try to get the excess off and stuff, and the wire brush left it kind of gray in certain areas. So I'm going to take my simple green, and I'm going to see if I can't clean that off a little bit before I put my my patch material, my stucco patch material on there. Look at that, it worked out good. See how much cleaner that is? And I'm just going to leave that like that. With the beauty of simple green is when you put it on, as it's drying, it's still cleaning. Okay, and I've got that little patch over here too. There's a little discoloration around that. Hoping you can see that on video, the discoloration, and that's from the wire brush. And I could stand here and look at it, and I can see it from far away actually. Can you see that? I get you at a different angle. You can see where I did the wire brush, and you can kind of see it around there. And I thought, you know, I don't want to leave that. And so I was hoping that my simple green cleaner would clean that off. And apparently it works. I can see all the dirt and the steel from the steel brush just coming right off, dripping on the floor. That's fine. Okay. Now those two areas are ready for the patch. I'm very curious how well that patch material is going to work. You saw that bucket I had out here before. I'm gonna end up doing some patching here pretty soon, but I'm not just ready just yet. I'm gonna have to kind of want to clean this off here too a little bit. I'm not quite sure. See, I'm gonna have to do a little bit of a sheetrock or a stucco patch right there, and I should actually get my wire brushes out here and to clean this, because I don't think it's all going to clean with just this bristle brush. We'll see what happens here. That was from where the tile was going right up against the wall. And lots of that's not going to show. Some of it will, though. Okay. This is actually doing pretty good with no wire brush. I'm impressed. I'll leave that. Got my pencil mark over here. May have to do more after I get the my flashing up out at this corner. Keep my pencil mark over here. So I'll let that dry, and might have to come back later with the wire brush a little bit with the simple green again. But just leaving it set like that, the simple green will still keep cleaning. I love my simple green. And when you go to the store, don't just buy a container like this and just one bottle. Phooey on that. Buy yourself, if you need a container and you want to buy one of these, you can. And then buy yourself the 1 gallon concentrate, and all you have to do is put a little bit in your bottle. When it's empty, fill it up with water. I think you can end up doing 40 bottles or something, depending on how much you put in. And that's all I do every single time. My 1 gallon container of simple green, I still have lots of it left, and I'm good to go for all kinds of cleaning. And it's the cheapest way to go for your household cleaning. Get the gallon container concentrate and fill your bottles up the rest of the way with water. Don't buy simple green in a regular bottle every single time. You know, you're just throwing your money away. You don't see the next thing that I'm going to do this floor quickly and easily on my channel. Go to my playlists and find the one titled, oh, what am I going to title it? Dryrotdeckrepair. I'll have all kinds of videos on here from the start of this project all the way through to reinstalling the pavers. Yes, all of these pavers go down on this floor, but there's quite a few different steps I still have to do. So look for those on my channel. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. And if you like what you see on my channel, subscribe. If you're already a subscriber, thank you very much.